India is the largest democracy in the world, the seventh largest country in the world, and one of the most ancient civilizations. We have four pillars of democracy. These four pillars of democracy are legislative, executive, judiciary, and press. Press ensures that people living in far off areas of country are aware of what's happening in rest part of it. It ensures the transparency in the working of all the above three systems. But today, what we would be discussing is what a paid news is. Before we tell you what paid news is, let's have the opinion of people what they think about paid news.
इंडिया एक ऐसी कंट्री है जहाँ पे लोग सारा टाइम बिजी रहते हैं और यहाँ पे लोग जो हैं न्यूज़ के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट रहते हैं। जितने बुजुर्ग हो, चाहे बच्चा हो, चाहे बड़ा हो, हम लोग जितने भी न्यूज़ देखते हैं हम सारे टीवी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट रहते हैं। और ये मीडिया वालों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि हमें क्या सच दिखाना, क्या नहीं दिखाना। लेकिन हमारे यहाँ पे पेड न्यूज़ हो गई है जिससे हमें बहुत मैनिपुलेट किया जाता है और उससे बहुत कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीज पैदा होती है।
पेड न्यूज़, अब कोई भी कंट्री है उसमें जो उसके सिटीजन्स हैं उनके पास जो न्यूज़ है, जो पूरे दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है, वर्ल्ड में क्या हो रहा है, उनकी कंट्री में क्या हो रहा है, उनकी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ में क्या हो रहा है, ये सारी कहाँ से आती है न्यूज़? मीडिया से। अब अगर कैसा लगेगा कि अगर उसी मीडिया को मैनिपुलेट किया जाए।
पेड न्यूज़ एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिससे एक पर्सन अपनी बात को मनवाने के लिए और अपने आप को पब्लिक के सामने सही करने के लिए वो मीडिया को पैसे देता है, और जो मीडिया है वो उसको इस वे में दिखाती है कि वो पर्सन लोगों को सही लगे।
पेड न्यूज़ जानने के लिए अपने को सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए कि न्यूज़ क्या होती है। न्यूज़ बस एक इन्फॉर्मेशन है अगर अपन प्रैक्टिकली सोचें तो। एंड पेड न्यूज़ उस न्यूज़ की मैनिपुलेशन या फिर किसी चीज़ की प्रमोशन कैसे भी ले सकते हैं। इसके अच्छे और बुरे इफेक्ट्स दोनों हो सकते हैं।
Paid news is the practice of cash payment or equivalent to journalists and media organization by individuals and organizations so as to appear in their news articles and to ensure sustained positive coverage. The phenomena of paid news goes beyond the corruption of individual journalists and media companies. These illegal operations are carried out in advertising agencies and public relation firms. Information and opinion from advertisements are paid by corporate identities. Government organizations and identities also pay for the promotion. Advertising content that is paid for as a news is serious and damaging fraud on innocent audience. Readers are being fed content with political and financial objective. Mostly it is seen that advertisements are camouflaged as news. The main reason for rise of phenomena is working condition and wages of a media personnel. According to a memorandum of Andhra Pradesh Union of Working Journalists, the syndrome of paid news was observed during the general elections of 2004.
A former Chief Minister of Indian National Congress led government in Maharashtra used of campaign funds for paid news. He was questioned by Election Commission of India in 2010. The commission stated that the complaint against Mr. Chauhan was that he arranged publications of news items masquerading as advertisement in newspaper praising him in the 2009 State Assembly election. He had not properly accounted for the expenses in his election expenditure account.
Narottam Mishra, a cabinet minister in a Bharatiya Janata Party-led government in Madhya Pradesh, was accused by the Election Commission of India, allegedly failed to lodge his account of his election expenses in the manner prescribed by law, and was linked to 42 news items on him during the November 2008 state elections, which read more like election advertisements in favor of him alone, rather than as news reports.
In 2009, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, then the Chief Minister of Congress-led government of Haryana, acknowledged that he offered money to the newspaper in his state to stop printing unfavorable paid news he alleged was funded by his opposition, and to print favorable news and the right picture in his view.
2009, according to an article by Anuradha Raman, Sandeep Dikshit, a Congress party member of parliament, acknowledged paid news and stated he was surprised when approached by Delhi-based television channel with a package deal to cover Rahul Gandhi's visit to the East Delhi constituency during 2009 Lok Sabha elections, and the channel offered to arrange the crowds for Rahul Gandhi's visit for free. According to Dikshit, states Raman, you watch your opponent misusing the media and you are forced to part with that money. I won't take names, but everyone is involved.
2009, Akhilesh Das, a politician belonging to the Bahujan Samaj Party, stated that I don't blame my party if it pays for news in its favor. There is a general media bias against his party. Das alleged, states Anuradha Raman, that the Congress party politician Raj Babbar graced the front pages of local newspapers, and paid news is a growing trend in Indian elections.
October 2011, Umlesh Yadav became the first ever sitting member of Legislative Assembly (MLA) to be disqualified for not declaring the expenditure incurred on advertising during her election campaign. Yadav, a member of Rashtriya Parivartan Dal, had been elected for Vaisuli, Uttar Pradesh in 2007. She was banned for contesting elections for a period of 3 years by Election Commission of India.
So now the question arises that how paid news is affecting the people.
देखिए, इसका एडवांटेजेस भी हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ किसके लिए हैं? जो स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर्स हैं और जिनके पास पैसा है। अगर कोई स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर है और उसके पास पैसा भी है इसमें इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, तो वो अपना मेरे को नहीं लगता कि उसके लिए कोई अपना बिजनेस प्रमोट करने के लिए इससे अच्छा कोई ऑप्शन होगा। पैसे दो, न्यूज़ दिखाओ, सब न्यूज़ तो सब लोग देखते हैं, तो वो प्रमोट होगा ही होगा। बट अगर आप इसके नेगेटिव पार्ट पे बात करें तो वो बहुत सारे नेगेटिव्स हैं। तो जैसे कि अगर वही बिजनेस ओनर, कोई स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर, उसके पास पैसा नहीं है तो वो नहीं लगा सकता इस पे, तो उसकी प्रमोशन नहीं हो सकती। फिर अगर आप देखा जाए तो इसमें कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा है। जो बड़े बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं जिनके पास पैसा है, इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए रिसोर्सेज हैं, और जो स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर्स हैं जिनके पास नहीं है, फिर स्मॉल इश्यूज़ हैं जिनको नहीं उठाया जा सकता, तो वो ये कंपटीशन की वजह से वो छोटे इश्यूज जो इंपॉर्टेंट है वो भी, और वो ऊपर नहीं आ सकते।
Advantages: awareness. Due to the low cost and high react of advertising, online small businesses able to build awareness quickly and the most cost effectively than some traditional media. Complementary. Paid news complements your owned and earned media. Multi-purpose. AdWords, keywords, incorporations, and advertisements are all part of the PPC advertising formats that can be applied to your online small businesses. Flexibility. Many ad sizes, format, cost options to shoot online businesses of any size.
So the disadvantages of paid news is frequency. Too high a frequency of the message can trigger or tune the resulting audience disregarding the message. Then comes the expense. It can become expensive for small businessmen and startups to execute due to the time and cost associated with setting the right campaign and managing the campaign to achieve maximum effectiveness. Then comes the rejection. People can ignore or dismiss your advertising by believing that it is not relevant to their needs. And the important one is competition. The display advertising and search advertising space is very cluttered with increasing number of advertisers daily. Both display and search advertising work on a bidding process, with the highest bidder winning and being exposed to the audience. This means the smaller companies often have to be clever to outperform the bidding of companies with large budgets.